Verity.
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 It's Verity. Brought to you by Prodigy.
Hi, hello everyone. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day. You are back again with your favorite girl here, Chut Alisha from MC2424A, your ITM Alwi Gajah Melaka, and today we are going to be talking about how to live the PR professional lifestyle. Well, I myself am a PR student pursuing my degree, but I'll be sharing the knowledge I have gotten from my research and also some tips from real PR officers. Well, to work in the PR industry, it necessitates having professional traits and the ability to behave yourself in a manner that demonstrates your work ethic and leaves a positive impression on others. This means your personality, your look, the way you treat others, it is all going to matter. In this podcast, however, we will be discussing all of the tips and tricks I have simplified for all of you to appear professional, to assist in your development with signals of responsibility, reliability, and loyalty. And believe me, guys, these tips are totally going to help you guys interact with your colleagues or clients more effectively, allowing you to produce higher quality results in so many aspects. Well, let's just get right into it. My first tip of the day will definitely to value time. Treat yours, others, and everyone's time like it's gold. I mean, who doesn't love gold, right? You know how expensive golds are? That just proves how precious time is. Respect other people's time and respect your time. Stop being late and making others wait. Stop being late and be in a rush and risking your own credibility. Go against the biasalah Melayu norms, Nah, be better. Listen, guys, this one is important. Plan ahead of trouble. To get to anywhere or to complete any work, always add 25% to your time estimation. Give yourself 40 minutes to get to work if you estimate it will take you only 30 minutes to get there. Well, actually, roughly it's 37 and 30 seconds. But let's not be silly here, just make it 40. Give yourself 15 hours if you need 12 to finish a proposal. The worst case scenario is that you will just develop a nice cozy effect where you are always on time and everyone thinks you are a miracle punctual personnel. Well, if you're like me and you have trouble getting out of bed in the morning, make sure you get everything ready the night before. Lay out your clothing, stuff your keys, your wallet, and other valuables into your tomorrow's bags or purse or pocket. Pick your bag with everything you will need in the next morning and prepare your lunch and so on. So later the next morning when you wake up, just get dressed, gather your belongings, and leave. You should also start to be at venues early and be more prepared for meetings, guys. Do time-sensitive activities before your co-workers or bosses require them. I'm also working these days as a global support executive at HSBC, and I have been arriving at the office 1 hour before work starts. And guess what? I get to make myself some Milo, enjoy the view, set up the table, read my emails, and all with no rush. It's just like me enjoying my morning, but in a way, it also helps me with being punctual and disciplined. Also, guys, something I found really helped with being more time appreciative is to always keep an updated calendar and turn on your notifications for all of these important stuffs so you'll never miss out. let's say, meetings, or like me, when your lunch ends, or what time to be at work, and stuff like that. It works wonders, guys. Next, dress appropriately. It is so important to make a good, not only the first impression, but to maintain the good impressions always. With your appearances, it really matters because it can really influence how your clients or coworkers are going to see you. It will also enhance your motivation and productivity at work by motivating you to get more things done. And it will also give you a magical competitive edge over the other candidates by allowing you to come across as professional and confident. You know, many hiring managers believe that how someone dresses has a direct impact on their ability to get a job and advance in their career. Some tips will be to choose well-fitting clothing, avoid wearing clothing that is too tight or too loose, avoid wearing transparent or revealing clothes. Oh, and don't forget about your nails. Keep your nails tidy and maintained, and if you must, choose a neutral nail paint. Remember to think about what message your attire is delivering before you put it on. Is this casual? Is this party-like? Is this formal? Is this professional or not? Think of that in a daily basis. Wear clothes that make you feel good to avoid being distracted or uncomfortable at work or at an interview. Well, of course, it is still based on your company's dress code later on, but nevertheless, present yourself in a neat and a professional manner, guys. Keep your garments nice and clean at all times. Send them to the dry cleaners. Get those edges sharp and pointy. Buy new clothes. Study a bit on how to appear sleek. Trust me, you have got nothing to lose. Oh, fun fact. This tip was given to me by a corporate communication officer in the Ministry of Higher Education. Working in the PR industry, you have to have a good suit. Invest in them. They are so important. Oh well, so, if you have the dream to join the bandwagon at MOHE, now you know what you gotta do. Alright guys, lastly, and I believe this is the most important tips by far. Never join the politics, guys. Trust me. Look, hold on. Not that I'm no and past politics. Go vote as per usual, guys. That is important for our country. But the politics here means do not join any gossip at work. Professional relationships can help you be more productive and satisfied at work. Spreading inaccurate information about co-workers or discussing a co-worker's personal life about their personal dating life or whatever without their knowledge or consent is referred to work gossip, and these are just not professional, guys. Some examples of workplace gossip will be false information spreading, making fun of someone, or sharing information that should not be shared, or also leaking information about other people's lives. Workplace gossip, guys, trust me, it can happen in the course of any casual discussion or maybe on social media platforms sometimes. You should try to avoid circumstances that could lead to gossip at work to retain your professionalism. Find a way to express your views and feelings at home instead to avoid miscommunication and office gossip. You should create a safe area at home to unwind and process work-related stress that can help you gain clarity before going back to work tomorrow. Instead of telling a co-worker about your experiences, consider telling a friend or maybe your partner. This can help you avoid work-related distractions and minimize stress levels. Redirecting your attention is another excellent method to avoid workplace gossip. If you notice your co-workers gossiping, resist at all costs the urge to join in. Instead, take a step back from the situation. Consider using the time to talk with your boss for a future project idea instead, or you could have a longer lunch break. You should really try to direct your direction to anything else in order to stay productive and focused. You all have to start and participate in work appropriate conversation, guys. Demonstrate your professional demeanor. Maybe talk about how to send better proposals, how to present things better, ask for feedbacks, or if you think that is boring, talk about the weather or how putting caramel drizzles on coffees are a game changer. Encourage your colleagues to have proper conversation in the workplace to make it feel more cheerful and inviting. You know what they say, less politics, less toxicity. Avoid gossip and bad conversations, like how Amira and Amir are dating each other. Instead, try to steer the subject in a good direction. Talk about how to make your life more meaningful instead of how bad Ali's breath is. Make it meaningful, guys. Alright, guys, it has been an amazing session sharing my thoughts today. Remember, 3 things: time, dress up, and no what, guys? No politics. Hope to be with you all again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to our IPRMSA YouTube channel. Stay positive. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day, loves. Bye-bye.